OxVent began as an academic response to the global lack of supply of mechanical ventilators during the COVID-19 pandemic. We put together an elite team of PhD students, engineers and medics from the University of Oxford and King's College London. Through the UK Ventilator Challenge, we were partnered with Smith & Nephew, who brought their manufacturing expertise. The result was we created the OxVent. It's a rapidly manufacturable, scalable and affordable mechanical ventilator.
These characteristics make the OxVent particularly well suited for low-resource settings.
Medical devices have been an ignored area. Non-communicable diseases are going to still be one of the biggest killers in the future in low-income countries.
Our plan is to bring the product to market first in Latin America and then expand distribution globally. We have ongoing conversations with distributors in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. This gives us an enormous opportunity to have a positive social impact.
The original OxVent ventilator was designed as an immediate response to the COVID pandemic. Going beyond that, the OxVent enterprise seeks to fill a gap in the market for ventilators beyond the pandemic. It's predicted that the need for ventilatory support and mechanical ventilation will continue to grow. And that's where we see OxVent being placed to deliver this growth. With that in mind, OxVent is continuing to develop a new ventilator, a more sophisticated ventilator, not dissimilar to the functionality that you might find in a modern ITU. It can be a fully invasive ventilator, but it can also be a non-invasive ventilatory support device. It uses the same design principles of simplicity and economy.
In my experience at WHO, more and more low and middle income countries have been trying to set up their own production of different medical products. Part of it is to keep costs lower. Part of it is to actually bring local solutions to local problems. There is also a sense of the pride in having something made in your own country. Local manufacturing is more than just handing over a blueprint. The need for well-equipped hospitals will never go away, and in fact, over the next 10 to 20 years, we're going to see even greater demands.
Our aim is to set the standard for supplying ventilators to low and middle income countries. So we combine industry skills with world-class academic research into clinical and engineering techniques. And that, I think, is what's going to give us a worthwhile and successful business.